Muhammad Kaab Ahmed. You don't have any class, you don't have any section. Change it. To which section do you belong? Assalamu alaikum to everybody. We were discussing about numerical problems of thermochemistry. I think we have done a few questions. Which number I have to start? Can anybody tell me? Check your notes. Should I start with question number 4 or 5? Which one? Question number 4. Right. Thank you. Now, the question is find heat of transition. He is saying find enthalpy. He says what heat, no problem. Find enthalpy of transition. In the previous class, we have learned that transition is the heat of transition, or enthalpy of transition is the amount of heat energy which is released or absorbed when 1 mole of substance will change from one allotropic form to other allotropic form. Ahzam Hussain Junaidi, no roll number, no section. Bye. क्लास में आने का सलीका नहीं है. डॉक्टर क्या बनते हैं, इंजीनियर क्या बनते हैं. Right. For carbon, he's asking enthalpy of transition of carbon. Carbon in which form? He's saying from diamond to amorphous carbon. Diamond to amorphous carbon. What is the meaning of amorphous carbon? Graphite. And he is saying in brackets 1 gram, right? Now, data is given to you something like this. Carbon, diamond plus oxygen gives you carbon dioxide. Del H equals to minus 94.3 kilocalories. Then he said carbon, graphite, oxygen gives you carbon dioxide. Del H is equal to minus 97.6 kilocalories. These type of problems will be given to you. It is a basic nursery type of question. Come on, how to proceed? Very simple, sir. These two are called given equations. Using these two, I have to get this equation. That's all. In that case, manipulate the given equations. Listen carefully. Manipulate the given equation so as to get the demanded equation. What is the meaning of manipulation? Add or subtract, multiply by any number. Either you multiply by 2 or you multiply by half, no problem. Divide by any number, anything can be done. And if doing that process of manipulation, when you are using given equation to get demanded equation, if you are satisfying that, then whatever you have done with respect to equations, do same thing with respect to energy. Whatever you have done with respect to equations, do same thing with respect to energy. For example, now see here, these two are the equations which are given to me. I am manipulating it. What is the meaning of manipulating? See, this is desired equation. Left hand side diamond is required. Is it available left hand side? Yes, sir. Then what I should do? I'll go like this. Left hand side we are having diamond required and available. Therefore, equation number 1. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Graphite is on the right hand side. I am having on the left hand side minus equation number 2. Now do it. When you do it, what happens? Sir, this is 1 minus 2. This is minus. This is minus. This is minus, right? Therefore, if you cut it off, what we get it, sir? C diamond is equal to C minus, this comes this side, graphite. Okay. What we have done, 1 minus 2. Do the same thing for energy. Therefore, del H is equal to equation number 1 energy. What is that? Minus 94.3. Then minus of minus 97.6. Whatever you are getting answer, it must be in terms of the same units what he has given to you, kilocalories. Go ahead. Shall I proceed? Okay. Now, whatever the answer is given, remember, this is the amount of energy involved. What he is saying, 3.3. Okay, very good. But it is not the final answer. Why? He is asking about 1 gram. Yes, this is applicable for 12 grams of carbon. Now you have to say del H transition for 1 gram of compound is equal to 3.3 by dash. So many kilocalories. And whatever you are getting, report in the same way. I think you are getting plus answer. So this is also plus. Go ahead. Answer is 0.275. 0.275 kilocalories. Okay. This. Mm. 185 is very good score. Tough paper. We have to work. Next. Come on. Now, this is the case where I have actually decided to go in sequence manner. Yesterday, in the previous class, we said del H is equal to del E plus del N RP. We have done some problems. There it was typical to be noted that we should take only gaseous substances. We should not take solids and liquids. Come on. Now, see the next question. Specific heats of iodine vapor. Write down problem, not lengthy. Take down in a systematic way. I'll write it like this. Question number 5. specific heat, small c, specific heat of iodine vapor. Let us write like this. You should understand that. If you are not able to do so, please write down. Iodine vapor and iodine solid. Specific heat of iodine solid are 0.031, 0.031 and 0.055, 0.055 calories per gram. Full stop. If heat of sublimation of iodine, enthalpy of sublimation of iodine is 24 calories per gram, 24 calories per gram at 200 degrees centigrade, find its value, at 250 degrees centigrade. Okay, this is the question. Once again, read the question. Sir, nothing has been given to us. He has given one reaction. What is that reaction? Sublimation of iodine. So first of all, let us write that reaction. Iodine solid converts to iodine gas. Direct conversion of solid to gas is called sublimation, right? Now he has given the heat capacity, specific heat capacity, and he has given the question in terms of two different temperatures. Once two different temperatures are given to you, our mind should go to the notes. Sir, there is one equation given as del H2 minus del H1 is equal to by T2 minus T1 is equal to del Cp. Are you able to recall? Del Cp is equal to, refer the notes, del H2 minus del H1 by T2 minus T1, right? Now you may have one objection here, sir, how you are going to talk about del Cp, because there is one more equation we have given the notes. Del Cv is equal to, here what I said, del E2 minus del E1 by T2 minus T1. Now how you are going to decide this one? Recall our notes and discussion that nothing has been mentioned means constant pressure, because constant volume is to be specific heat, it means it is del H value. Okay. Now del Cp. What is del Cp? That is Cp of products minus Cp of reactants. Always, right? Come on, substitute Cp of product. What is product? Iodine gas. Where is that fellow? Iodine gas. 0.055. I have done mistake here. This is he says specific heat of iodine vapor is 0.031. Okay, I'll take this one here. And this is solid. Now, what is that vapor state? Final state is vapor state. Therefore, what is final? Final is supposed to be 0.031 minus Cp of reactant. Reactant is solid. 0.055 is equal to del H2 means enthalpy at high temperature. I don't know. Minus enthalpy at low temperature. How much? 24. What is high temperature? 250. What is low temperature? 200. Remember that when I am taking absolute values, I should add 273. But when I take difference, it remains as 50, because here also we are adding 273. Here also we are adding 273. It becomes as how much? 50. Del H2 is equal to some number into 50 by 24. Answer is calories per gram. Go ahead. These are possible questions for both of you. take care of thermochemistry, each and every problem, right? Do very large amount of practice in thermochemistry, because definitely there will be one question and sometimes there are two questions. Meet people, two questions. Mains, one is compulsory, second may be possible because it has been given number of times, two questions. $22.8 calories per gram. You are right. Shall I proceed? Correct? 22.8 calories per gram. Yes, you are right. Come on. Come to next question. Question number 6. Same formula, Kirchhoff's formula, practice. Heat of reaction for Haber's process. Heat of reaction for Haber's process into plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. At 27 degrees centigrade is minus 91.94. Minus 91.94 kilojoules. Okay. Chaliye. What will be its value? What will be its value? At 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, when two different temperatures are given to you, before reading that ultimate point, your mind should start saying, okay, go ahead, Kirchhoff's equation we have to use, right? Next, data given is molar heat capacity, right? Molar heat capacity. Molar heat capacities at constant pressure. Molar heat capacity at constant pressure means Cp of nitrogen, comma, hydrogen, write down like this, and ammonia. Below write down values 28.45, 28.32, and 37.07. Okay. Joules, take care of the word joules, right? Molar heat capacity is given. How to proceed? Very simple, sir. First of all, what we do? We proceed for the reaction. Come on, write the reaction. Nitrogen plus 3 moles of nitrogen gives you 2 moles of ammonia. Del Cp is equal to del H2 minus del H1 by T2 minus T1. Okay, what is del Cp? Cp of products. Cp of product. Who is that fellow? Ammonia. No, sir, this is molar heat capacity. I am having 2 moles. Multiply that. Minus Cp of reactants. Cp of nitrogen. How much? 1 mole plus Cp of hydrogen. How many moles? 3 moles. Take care of units. Molar heat capacity, he said, is equal to del H2, our job, minus del H1 minus 91.94 kilojoules, right? by T2 minus T1, 23. Okay. Now, when you are substituting the values, this is kilojoules. Therefore, after doing all these calculations, suppose I got alpha, right? So, alpha is in joules. Therefore, done. Go ahead. Try to understand the concepts carefully, especially doctors, because you people have unnecessary phobia because of physical chemistry and physics, right? Not you, but people created atmosphere. Usually lecturers, okay, physics difficult, physical chemistry difficult. Nothing is difficult. Only the thing is we have to tune our mind. Those who are stronger in physics and physical chemistry, they will dominate, because bottom biological sciences, everyone will be there on the score of cent%. The differentiation is made only with respect to these two fellows. Is it over? Minus 92.84, Saidur Rahman, excellent. Very good. Shajiuddin, you are not having confidence. You have written dash 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 question mark. First, create confidence in yourself. Then things will be, life will be normal if you have confidence. Shall I remove? Is it over? Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead. ध्यान से देखो, मेथड देखिए, मेथड सीखिए. Question का data, how I am transferring question from the book to the question paper. How I am going in stepwise. Why unnecessarily I am writing CP expression formula. Every time I am writing formula as if I am a beginner. Yes. Practice, practice. No, sir, I am jumping. I am not writing formula. I want to do fastly. You are sinking yourself. Write everything systematically. Once you become master after completion of syllabus, when you write grand test, then you can skip. Now you are at the early stages of childhood. Is it over? Finished? Nice. Answer is minus 92.84. लिख लो, जिसको नहीं आया वो लोग लिख लीजिए, बाद में ट्राई कीजिए. Minus 92.84. Next. Now, I have selected one more question for you, but if somehow, if you are not able to understand this, doctors, don't take tension. और जितने लोग सीरियसली इन्वॉल्व हैं वो लोग डॉक्टर्स भी समझ सकते हैं. प्रॉब्लम सिंपल है. IIT स्टूडेंट्स, it is compulsory for you. It's compulsory. Come on. See that question. I am actually cheating the previous question. Into plus 3H2 gives 2NH3 del H minus 92 kilojoule at 27 degrees centigrade. This is not necessary, but usually they mention find delta H at 57 degrees centigrade. Full stop. Now, if I say the question is over, I think some of you who are sincerely involved, they may say, sir, question is incomplete. He has to provide CP values as he has done in case of previous problem. If CP values of reactants and products are given to us, we can go very systematically, but bad luck, it is not given in the question. Then how to proceed? No problem, sir. We have conceptual notes with us. How can I enjoy? Del CP is equal to del H2 minus del H1 by T2 minus T1. Now del Cp, what is that? Cp of ammonia 2 times minus Cp of nitrogen 1 time plus Cp of hydrogen 3 times. Okay, is equal to del H2, our job, minus of minus 92 kilojoules, no problem, by T2 minus T1, 30. Now, what I'll do, I'll go back to my notes. Thermodynamics first law. Sir, this is polyatomic gas. I know the values of Cp and Cv. Go back to that chapter, what we have said. Sir, Cv, right, is equal to 3R by 2 for what? Monoatomic. Cv is equal to 5R by 2 for what? Diatomic. Cv is equal to 3R for what? Tri-R polyatomic. Okay, I'll take advantage of that here. No, sir, he's asking Cp. Okay, I know that also, sir. In the notes, I have given Cp is equal to Cv plus R. I have given you equation Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Go ahead. Now, how to proceed? Very simple, sir. Cp of ammonia. Who is that fellow? Ammonia. Ammonia is polyatomic gas. Polyatomic gas. What is the answer here in this case? 3R. Right? This is Cv. What is the Cp? 5R. Therefore, 4R. How to write here? 4R into 2. Got it? Minus, come on, nitrogen, diatomic gas, 5R by 2. No, 5R by 2 plus R, 7R by 2. Very good. Plus Cp, diatomic, same thing, 3 into that one, 21R by 2. Simplify that and go ahead, right? R, what is the value of R? R is equal to 25 by 3. No, sir, 25 by 3, 10 power minus 3, because it is given in terms of kilojoules. Come on, tell me answer. 90.5. Wrong. Sayyidul Rahman, minus 93.49. Very good. Check, however, 0.49. Minus 23 is okay, but 49, check, check. Anybody else? Minus, important. It's coming minus. 93 is fine. Then 93. In the book, he is saying answer minus 93.24. 24. Very good. Not plus, beta, not plus. You will get negative marks if you are writing 93.2. This is minus. Minus. Without minus, it's not correct. Shall I move? Over. Next. Now, coming to next type of problem. I'm changing the type now here. Question number 8. Molar heat of combustion. Don't write all the things. Molar heat of combustion of acetylene gas, comma, carbon, graphite, and hydrogen. Molar heat of combustion of acetylene, carbon, and hydrogen are 310.62, 94.05, 68.32 kilocalories per mole. Why per mole? Molar. He is using first word molar, right? Okay. Find heat of formation. Find heat of formation of acetylene. ठीक है? अब जरा ध्यान से सुनिए. Thermochemistry, we have more importance in your examinations, both NEET and mains. But among all those questions, mostly the questions will be of this type. ज़्यादातर questions ऐसे आते हैं, right? Remember that one, that we have majority of questions of this type. चलिए, अब when you want to solve this question, there are two methods to solve this question. One method is used by intermediate student, IP student, and one method is used by our category type of students, right? But this is first problem, therefore I'll show you both the methods, because sometimes IP method is only suitable. We can't go for the other method. So you should learn that also. Let us go to that one. What is that IP method? Just know what I have said, same thing. First, write down all the given equations. First, write down all the given equations. Then write down demanded equation. Then manipulate the given equations so as to get the demanded equation, desired equation. Okay, come on, start. First of all, we have tried the equations which are given to us. What is given to us? First of all, combustion of acetylene, right? Come on, combustion of acetylene. C2H2 plus oxygen gives you CO2 plus water. Two available, two hydrogens available. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 2. Now this is called enthalpy of combustion of acetylene equals to what is given? 310.62. No, sir, it is wrong. I have to write minus 310.62. See, this is the story. This is the way with which they mislead you, right? We know from the concept enthalpy of combustion should be always exothermic reaction. You want to check up that one. So remember, enthalpy of combustion is always negative quantity. If it is given negative, enjoy that one. If it is given positive, make it negative. Only in case of combustion processes, right? Come on. Enthalpy of combustion of graphite, carbon plus oxygen gives you carbon dioxide. Del H combustion of graphite is equal to minus 94.05. Hydrogen H2 plus half O2 gives you water. Enthalpy of combustion of 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to minus 68.32 kilocalories. These are called given equations. Now come to desired equation. Whenever you want to write the formation of any substance, carefully listen to this. It is a rule. Whenever you want to write formation of any substance, always start from reverse direction. I want to prepare 1 mole of this substance. Hence, 2C plus H2. This is equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Manipulate these 3 equations so as to get our demanded equation. How to manipulate? As we are running in the equation, go ahead. For example, carbon is on the left hand side. Very good. Here also we have carbon left hand side. Therefore, equation number 2. No, sir. We require 2 carbons. Okay, multiply by 2. Got the point? Left hand side carbon, left hand side available. We have 2 requirement, multiply by 2. Plus, here it is plus. Hydrogen left hand side, yes sir, hydrogen left hand side. 1 is required, 1 is available. Then what to do? 1 into equation number 3. Then C2H2, 1 mole, yes sir, 1 mole. Available on right hand, required on right hand side, available on left hand side. Okay, minus equation number 1. Now, you have to check it. In IP, you have to show that you have to write this 1 multiply by 2. 2C plus 2O2 gives you 2CO2. H2 plus half O2 gives you H2O. You have to add them, then subtract like that. But we don't do that one. We know that yes, it is guaranteed available. Now, whatever you have done with the equation, do the same thing for energy. Come on, equation number 2 minus 94.05 into 2 plus minus 68.32 into 1 minus, this is minus of minus 310.62. This is our answer. Enthalpy of formation of acetylene. Go ahead, then I'll show you another method. plus 52, 54.2 kilocalories. Very good. No. Same problem can be done. For us, we have different method. Correct? You are right. The method which we have to follow is no. What is given to you, take that equation. For example, he has given to you enthalpy of combustion of acetylene, right? The bigger equation we have to take. Write down balanced equation of enthalpy. One is given to you, take that one. And then, come on, how to proceed? Enthalpy of combustion of acetylene. Enthalpy of combustion of acetylene, C2H2. No, sir, it is enthalpy of reaction. Is equal to, now come to the formula. What is that? Enthalpy of formation of products minus enthalpy of formation of reactants. Come on, listen carefully, listen carefully. अब दिमाग जहां लगाना है वहां लगाइए. मैं तो समझा रहा हूं वो समझिए, बीच में कुछ मत बोलिए, सिर्फ समझिए खाली. Enthalpy of combustion of acetylene. Do you know that? Yes, sir, it is given to me. Enthalpy of formation of product. Listen carefully. Enthalpy of formation of product is nothing but enthalpy of formation of product, carbon dioxide. How many times? 2 times. Plus enthalpy of formation of water. How many times? 1 time. Minus enthalpy of formation of acetylene. Yes, 1 time. Plus 5/2 times enthalpy of formation of oxygen. Then once I write like this, you people will say, sir, cut it. You cannot prepare elements from the elements. Right? Now see carefully. Is it given to you enthalpy of combustion of acetylene? Yes, sir. Enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide. Is it given to you? Enthalpy of combustion of carbon is given. अब जरा ध्यान से सुनिए. Enthalpy of combustion of carbon is nothing but enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide. Enthalpy of combustion of carbon is nothing but enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide. Combustion of carbon, ये सब पढ़ चुके हैं हम, is equal to formation of carbon dioxide. Therefore, yes, it is given to us, but with a negative sign. Remember that. चलिए, enthalpy of formation of water. What is enthalpy of formation of water? No, sir, it is enthalpy of combustion of hydrogen. Therefore, indirectly ऐसा इसको समझ सकते हैं आप. This is enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide. No, sir, this is 2 times enthalpy of combustion of carbon. Okay? Plus, it is 1 time enthalpy of combustion of hydrogen. चलो ठीक है. Minus enthalpy of formation of steel. ये तो demanded है. ये तो question में दिया हुआ है. This is to be calculated. This is given. This is given. This is given. Go ahead. Are you getting exactly same answer? Yes. Fine. This is the method which we adopt, right? We have to learn that IP method also, but we adopt this type of method, plus 54.2 kilocalories. Right. Next. Shall I proceed? Question number 9. Now see this one. Standard enthalpy of formation. Standard enthalpy of formation of benzoic acid and carbon dioxide and water sorry, this is given as solid, are minus 408 minus 393 minus 286 kilojoules per mole. Find enthalpy of combustion of benzoic acid. Find enthalpy of combustion of benzoic acid at constant pressure and constant volume. Now, first of all, take this part. Forget about constant pressure and constant volume. First of all, take this one. He's asking combustion of benzoic acid. I'll write combustion of benzoic acid. I'm applying that second method. I don't go for IP method now. Combustion. Water. 6 carbons available. 5 plus 1, 6 hydrogens available. I have made a mistake. How many carbons? 7 carbons. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 hydrogens. 14 plus 3. Here in this case we have 17. 17 oxygens. Already 2 are available. 15 by 2. This is solid. This is gas. This is gas. And this is liquid. Now, when he says enthalpy, these all are at constant pressure. We have learned it. At constant pressure, enthalpy. At constant volume, internal energy. So, first of all, we'll go like this. This is enthalpy of combustion of benzoic acid. BA I'm writing. I'm lazy fellow. Benzoic acid is equal to, no sir, this is enthalpy of reaction. If it is enthalpy of reaction, enthalpy of formation of products minus enthalpy of formation of reactants is equal to enthalpy of combustion. This is our demand, formation of products, 7 times enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide plus 3 times enthalpy of formation of, what is that? Water minus 1 time enthalpy of formation of what? Benzoic acid plus 15 by 2 times enthalpy of formation of element. I cannot prepare the elements. Formation of carbon dioxide given to you, formation of water given to you, formation of benzoic acid given to you. Substitute the values and enjoy the answer. This is del H. Wait a minute. Del H. No, sir. He's asking del E also. Go ahead. del H is equal to del E plus del N RT. Which N? Del N G RT. Come on. Del H, I got answer. How much? Alpha. Del E, my job. Minus, come on, number of moles of products minus number of moles of reactants. How many products? 7. 3 should not be counted because it is liquid. Minus 15 by 2. R, what is this? Kilojoules. 25 by 3 joules. Kilojoules. Temperature. What is the temperature? Standard word is used. Therefore, 298 kelvins. If suppose he has given some number, go ahead with that one, right? He has given number in the question also. What is that question he has given? 300 kelvins. In the question right now like this. If it is not given, our usual discussion, what? 25 degrees centigrade into 300. This will give you delta E. What is that? Beta kilojoules. No? Positive, negative, check it out. Go ahead. Del H is minus 3201. Very good, excellent. Kilojoules per mole. You're right. Abdul Wase, nice. Del H is minus and this is yes, you're right. Saidur Rahman, correct? Is it over? When class started, number of students 30 after 5 minutes when I start every time. In between, it was 63. Before completion of the class, 10 minutes before, right? Even the discussion is not over 53. Do you think that this is the way to get IIT rank or NEET rank? Time pass. Time pass. Shall I proceed? Is it over? Shall I pack up? Sure. Got answer for delta E? Del E, answer, not yes sir, answer, answer. Mustafa, what is your answer? Muhammad Mustafa. Okay. Remaining questions we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Very good, very good. 3199.7, 3198. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Thank you.